Hey guys, Mark Bear here. So I have a High Sierra hydration bag, and I've used it for many years, no issues. But the bladder bag finally gave out and started leaking real bad, and had to get a new one. So with not having a lot of money to spend, I ran to Walmart real quick and grabbed one of these, just small outdoor product hydration bags, like 10 to 12 bucks depending on your area. You get 2 liters out of this guy. I actually took this out. I was going to get this one and then go get a better one at another time, and didn't need it. I didn't expect this thing to last all summer, but I used it all summer. All you do is have this little guy here, pull up, now you got your water coming out, press down, and now it's closed. Super simple. It even says open and close right there. Can you see that? There, see it? Oh, can we focus it? Oh, you get the point. This part right here, the opening, it's very big. I'm not too crazy about this part, but the threads on it are really well. Take it like this, open it up, simple as that. See the threading on it? You're not gonna get any leaks with that. It's pretty solid. Like I said, I've been kind of rough with it as well, and I haven't had any issues. And then you can actually take this hose off here. It's just a nice little threaded hose. The mouthpiece is here. They do sell these as a replacement. You can get them on Amazon for like $6 for like a pack of 2. So I haven't had any issues with this part to have to replace it, but you know, it's good to know. A little quick tip here, kind of use this bag, pretty versatile. You can take the hose off here, fill this guy up with water, then take this off. Hang it up, and then once you actually take this hose off, the water will come out almost like a drinking fountain. And you can wash your hands, you can take like a makeshift shower if need to. I like having things that are versatile, like you can use them different ways, and you can do that with this. I actually seen, I can't remember the guy's name, but he's on YouTube. He said he's even blown this up, like pushing air back into it, and use this as a pillow. Genius idea if you need it. So for $10 to $12, again depending on which Walmart you're at, this is definitely worth the buy. I'll put a link in the description if you want to order off Amazon. But yeah, this is a solid buy. So nothing else I have to say about that. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you've had an experience with this, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.